If you're setting up a private limited company, commonly referred to as a LTD in the UK, there are certain legal requirements that need to be met. One of these requirements is providing a director's address. But what exactly is a director's address? Well, today in this video, we're going to go over all the information you need so you're ready. Let's jump in, shall we? Hello and welcome. My name is Ian from Your Company Formations, where we make forming your company a breeze. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss for all those aspiring entrepreneurs and business enthusiasts out there. Now, this question actually comes from our channel subscribers who asked for more information regarding the business address. So, if you've got any questions at all about this topic or anything you need answering, just drop them in the comments below, and we may even make a video based on your question as well. So, what exactly is a director's address? Well, simply put, a director's address is the official residential address of the director of a company. It's a legal requirement for every director of a UK-based limited company to provide this information to Companies House, which is the official government registry for companies. Now, when you decide to establish your own limited company, one of the key steps is to go through the company formation process. For instance, you might use our intuitive system at yourcompanyformations.co.uk and register your new company with Companies House. During this process, you'll be required to provide official addresses for your company. Now, these addresses are used by Companies House and HMRC for sending official statutory paperwork and correspondence related to your company. Additionally, certain official addresses must be entered into the public register of companies, which is accessible to the general public. Now, this means that anyone can access your company details, including the addresses you use for registration. For those operating their business from home, this poses a risk of exposing their private residential address to the public. So, what exactly is a director's service address, and why do you need one? Well, when setting up a new company in the UK, a company director must provide two addresses to Companies House. One is their residential address, and the other is the official director's service address, which serves as the main correspondence address for the company. If you operate your business from home, both addresses could be the same. However, if you want to protect your privacy, as we said before, and keep your home address separate from your business, using a different director's service address is the smartest choice. While your residential address will still be required by Companies House and select government bodies, your director's service address will be the one displayed on the public record. Now, you might be wondering how many director's service addresses you need. The answer depends on the size of your company and the number of directors it has. Each director must have an official service address, as Companies House and HMRC will use this information for statutory company documentation and personal mail, such as self-assessment tax return documentation. If you're living in rented accommodation, your landlord might not allow you to use your home address for business purposes. This is where the director's service address provider comes in handy. By using the prestigious business address like the one offered by yourcompanyformations.co.uk, you can overcome this challenge and give your company a more professional image. Now, one of the major advantages of using a director's service address provider is the enhanced privacy and security it offers, as we said before. It prevents cold callers from showing up uninvited at your doorstep and saves you from receiving excessive junk mail and sales flyers at your home address. Also, if your business operates virtually and doesn't require in-person meetings with clients or customers, keeping your actual physical address private can prevent potential health and safety issues. By ensuring your address is off the public record, you can protect your business from risks and liabilities. If you're planning to form a limited company, it's crucial to get all the details correct on your application. Instead of registering your company with your home address and later going through the hassle of changing it, it's advisable to have all the necessary addresses in place beforehand. When submitting your application to Companies House, you'll need to provide details such as the name and address of your company directors, information about company secretaries, if applicable, shareholders or guarantors, and anyone else with significant control over the company. Setting up a limited company may seem overwhelming, but Your Company Formations is here to help. With their experience and expertise, they can simplify the process and ensure a successful registration. By choosing the right Director's Service Address package, you can get your company up and running quickly while maintaining privacy and professionalism. Using our intuitive system that not only helps you input your details easily, but also gives you the option of using a professional Director's Service Address, depending on the package you choose. Now, if you're interested in learning more or have any more questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our friendly team of formations experts at Your Company Formations. We're here to support your entrepreneurial journey. For more details, you can see the blog posts linked in the description of this video, or visit our website to connect with one of our team. My name's Ian from Your Company Formations. Thanks for watching.